Hey everyone, welcome back to MMG Empire. Today we're diving into something that can make a real difference in your home or office, the Reair Washable air filter. If you're tired of spending money replacing disposable filters every few months, this eco-friendly reusable option might just be the perfect upgrade. And it's very easy to install, guys. This is the frame, it's all magnetic. All you have to do is snap all the pieces together. And then all you do is just slide it into the zipper. Make sure it's all leveled up on each side. And all that's left to do is zip it up like so. And there you have it. Your air filter is ready to be installed. Just pay attention to the airflow, very important. And guys, this one air filter is equal to 60 air filters, so you can save up about $420. And now moving on to installing your air filter, just make sure that your AC unit is off. Remove the old air filter, and guys, look at this. See how dirty this is? That's from all the dust piling up in there. And this, you would have to throw it away. Cannot reuse it. Now you pay attention to the airflow. You gotta make sure those arrows are heading in the same direction as the airflow of the AC unit. And all you have to do is just slide your washable air filter in there. And you can wash this air filter every couple months or 3 months. All you have to do is put it in the washer, add some detergent, and then you're good to go. I'll put the link in the description if anybody's interested. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like these.